Good morning, children. Welcome to Read and Learn. Today we're going to learn about counting syllables. For example, the word basket. Basket. Bas is the first syllable. Cat is the second syllable. So, there are two syllables from the word basket. Another example, the word bag. Bag. Bag has only one syllable. Now try to do this activity. How many syllables are in each word? Window. Window. Your answer is 2. Good job. There are 2 syllables. Kitchen. Kitchen. How many syllables? There are 2 syllables. Next word is cat. Cat. Your answer is 1. There's only 1 syllable. Next word is basketball. Basketball. How many syllables? Good job. There are 3 syllables. Monster. Monster. How many syllables? Good job. There are 2 syllables. Family. Family. How many syllables? That's great. There are 3 syllables. The word toy. Toy. How many syllables? There's only 1 syllable. Fan. Fan. How many syllables? Only 1 syllable. The word butterfly. Butterfly. How many syllables? Good job. 3. There are 3 syllables. Next word is cabinet. Cabinet. How many syllables? 3. There are 3 syllables. 3. 3. How many syllables? There's only 1 syllable. Paper. Paper. Your answer is 2. There are 2 syllables. Next word is elephant. Elephant. Elephant has 3 syllables. Helicopter. Helicopter. How many syllables? Helicopter has 4 syllables. Good job, children. See you next time.